books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
A desert island. Oh, we sail the ocean blue, and our saucy ship's a beauty. We are awesome bears, it's true, and our fox friend is a cutie.
Bucky, how could you forget to build a steering wheel for our fishing boat here?
It's fine, just relax. We're letting the wind steer us.
But what if there's a storm? Or rocks?
The sky is clear. Calm down. Just quit worrying.
I don't think voicing reasonable concerns... What's up with Chicky?
Wow! Storm! Where'd it come from? Turn the ship around! Turn the ship around!
I can't turn us around because there's no steering wheel!
Oh, why didn't I build a steering wheel? Turtle? Where is everyone?
Bucky, are you all right?
Sorta, yeah. What happened, guys?
What happened? We're stranded on a desert island, that's what happened!
We're on a desert island? For realsies? Help us! Anybody! Save us! Help us! Help! Please! Hey! Whoa. Hey, look what I found!
So what use is this to us now that our fishing boat's gone?
Hey guys, look! Our forest!
Great! We can swim home! Last one in's a rotten acorn!
Bucky, there could be sharks in the water!
Sharks? I'm very allergic to sharks. We can't swim home.
Look, fellas, I just found a beautiful telescope. I spy lots of water and more water. Wait, I see something. Whatever it is, it's stripy. Could be a swimming zebra.
It could be a shark in a pinstripe suit. I saw one like that on TV once. Well, guys, we're stuck on this island for the rest of our natural lives.
Bucky, someone will come along and rescue us soon. You'll see.
You're right. We have to build a signal fire. Someone passing will see it and they'll rescue us. I learned that from watching movies. Wait, leave the wreckage. I just got an idea. I'll build a boat from the pieces.
How can you assemble a boat without any tools, Bucky?
I am a genius. Chicky, you're with me. Nice. This will work. Very nice. Here's a lovely one. This one's not so great. Oh well, might come in handy.
I can build a boat that's better than Bucky's. I'll make a sturdy raft with some of these strong trees. I'll just yank it right out of the ground. Come on, tree.
I give you the SS Jigsaw. Huh? The corners. Help me look for the corners. You can't take a trip on a sailing ship if the sailing ship's not there.
Keep going, Mr. Turtle. Good boy.
That's the starboard stack.
All right, tree, this ends now.
Yee-haw!
If you can't craft a rowboat or a raft,
Then you won't get anywhere. Look. I can work with this.
final piece victory growl. Rawr!
Maybe Bucky's not the only genius in our forest.
It's great, Bjorn. Now you just need to build a shrink ray.
Yo-ho-ho and a bottle of super awesome bear.
No way!
Boom! I built it just like I told you. Come on!
He is gonna be bragging about this for years.
Bum, 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 bum. All aboard, you scurvy sea bears and sea foxes. Full speed ahead. Shiver me timbers.
Go, Mr. Turtle. All right. Good boy.
So, do you have a plan B?
Use the boat scraps to build an airplane. We'll steer it with this.
Hey, guys, take a look at this. Mr. Turtle's a really good swimmer, right?
Turtle, huh? Turtle, yeah! Brilliant! We're saved! Bjorn, buddy, isn't this great?
That's Mrs. Turtle and Cousin Myrtle Turtle.
Turtle wave, yeah! Keep up, Bjorn, buddy! Woo! We sail the ocean ocean blue, and our turtle ships are awesome. Sweet rap, Chicky. Most birds would have chosen to, fly.
He can ride with me. Come on, Chicky Poo.
Is that the zebra shark?
It's cool. They only eat brown bears.
Ooh, he looks hungry, too.
Eyes. Unexpected guests. All right. It's TV night. Yeah. It's time for the show. Yay! Aristotle's gotta be in the top 3 coolest blue mooses ever. What the what?
Is something wrong?
Must be the antenna. Fear not, Bucky's on the case.
Is it fixed yet? Aw, what a sweet little pink birdie.
What? It isn't sweet, it's messing up my TV. Oh, I know. I have an excellent brain. And there. Don't worry, Miss Birdie. Just a friendly bear. Please come here, bird. I don't bite. Whoa. Yeah, that's my head. Okay. Whoa! Ow.
Bucky, the bird's not hurt, right?
You're worried about the bird?
Oh, she's just the cutest little thing. Ooh, look at her climb.
Yeah, I'll be just fine. Thanks for asking. Huh?
Don't you see what's going on here? That bird thinks that your antenna is a tree of some kind. You silly bird. A nice tree in the forest is the place for you. Come with me and we will see if we can find the perfect tree where you'll be happy as can be, living life and flying free. So, this is your new place. Enjoying all of nature's wonders. Chirp your chirps, eat countless fresh worms. Birdie, hey, where are you going? So does this mean you didn't like my poem?
Well, she's back. She must really like your antenna.
I have a great idea. We'll build her a birdhouse. This is great. We'll build a super modern nest with air conditioning and a hot tub.
Ahem. Just stop. This bird doesn't want a super modern nest-o-matic. She needs a regular, normal, cozy nest, and that's all.
Nah, modern house.
A simple nest. You're wrong.
Please interfere with the birdie's life carefully, guys.
She's gonna love my super modern birdhouse.
She's gonna love my nest.
Birdhouse.
Nest. And here we go. That looks good. Take a look at this, birdie. Doesn't it look like a lovely home? Nest, sweet nest.
Whoa! Welcome to your lovely new home. Complete with elevator, air conditioning, sun terrace, satellite TV, 4 separate rooms, and a swimming pool. Super modern birdhouse.
Nest. Ample fresh food just waiting for you to eat.
Your own refrigerator.
Made with all natural materials.
Big screen TV and stereo.
Breathtaking vistas.
Insulated bay windows.
As sturdy as the tree it's built on.
Whoa! Built to last a lifetime.
Modern birdhouse? Ha!
You know, guys, it kind of looks like she prefers the antenna.
Fine. If you like the dumb antenna so much, well, then you can just sit in it all you want. Birds. Yeah!
Hurry up, Bucky. The next episode's already starting.
All right, it's TV night! Finally. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me?
Wait, where's Chicky gone?
What's wrong with it now? This is very unacceptable. Chicky, seriously? Great, there's a bird playground on my roof. Hope you're having fun up there. Okay, this is kind of adorable. Fine.
Well, Bucky, I guess this means you'll need to build another new antenna now.
Maybe a squirrel will move into the next one. Ooh, or a bunny.
A real ninja.
Good morning, Bjorn. Whoa! What's the deal with your leg? Trying to stick your toe in your ear or something?
I'm practicing powerful Eastern martial arts.
That is fancy.
I want to become a real live grizzly belt. Someday, maybe I'll even become a ninja. The ninja were great legendary ancient warriors who, with one mighty blow, could break wooden boards in half.
No way! I've always dreamed of becoming an ancient warrior. Ha! Forget wooden boards. Watch me split this whole tree with one mighty thwack. Hi-ya! Ha! Ow!
What are you doing, Bucky? Did you hurt yourself? Do I need to remind you about your limits again?
I wanted to split this tree in two just like a ninja.
Well, maybe this kind of tree just isn't ninja-friendly.
So that's it. What I need is the right kind of tree. Time to be an awesome ninja! I'm not sure I could split this post with a single hit. It's clearly not ninja-friendly, but I can teach it to be. Just gotta work up a lesson plan. No, not these. No, junk. Even more no. There we go. Feel friendly now? Now that's more like it. Yeah! With my sweet chainsaw sword, I'll be the greatest ninja in the world. Vanquishing evil, slicing trees, the greatest ninja ever. He's Bukai! 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 Boo 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 boo! Kai 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 kai! An awesome ninja guy!
For the first time ever, the amazingly awesome ancient ninja Bukai
Will be demonstrating all his superfine skills at the clearing in the woods.
I'm just here for the popcorn.
Yeah, me too.
Welcome, friends! Franny, Bjorn, and other assorted admirers from around the world! I am the great ninja Bukai, zillionth level grizzly belt. I will now demonstrate my super amazing ninja skills!
This should be interesting.
Oh! Hey-ya!
Huh?
Dude, that was
Amazing!
You ain't seen nothing yet!
Bucky, that tree trunk seems too big. Are you sure about this?
Just relax. Bukai knows what he's doing. Ninja time!
Should I just go ahead and call a doctor now?
Thank you very much.
Bucky, what's happening?
I might have gone a bit too far with my chainsaw sword. Technically, I did do all of this with just one kick.
Hey, Ninja Bucky, look out! Bucky!
A true ninja knows when to run away.
Whoa!
I will now demonstrate my ninja escape the falling tree skills.
Tell me, just what have you done, Bucky?
I wanted the trees to be ninja-friendly, but they turned out to be ninja-unfriendly. Uh-oh, this looks like a good spot for an ambush. Very bad. Even worse.
She surprises and shocks as she knocks off blocks. Yeah, she totally rocks. She's a ninja fox. Franny! Franny! Franny the fox! Franny.
What just happened?
I'm a grizzly belt, but just 3rd degree. Do you want lessons, guys?
Hoo, ha, hoo, ha! Is that technique or what? Hoo, ha, hoo,
It's
ha.
nice. We've got a real ninja teacher now.
Hey, Franny, when will we be able to chop through bricks?
It's Master Franny. Now keep practicing.
Yes, Master Franny. Vanquishing evil, slicing trees, the greatest ninja ever. She's Franny? That fierce little fox totally rocks.